If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks in advance.
Risky sales pitch. Henry Leach was an enthusiastic good salesman and sells really well. One day, the manager sent Henry into the countryside to sell vacuum cleaners. He drove out of town and stopped at a farmhouse. He knocked on the door, and when the farmer's wife opened, Henry started into his speech immediately.
Ma'am, how much time do you spend sweeping the floors?
A lot of time. This is a farm and things get dirty quickly,
Said the woman.
And how much time do you spend beating the carpets?
Asked Henry.
A lot of time. This house gets dusty and my dog also lays on them.
Well,
Said Henry.
this is your lucky day.
Henry showed her his vacuum cleaner and said.
You can clean the house in 5 minutes with this.
The farmer's wife didn't look interested. Henry took out a big bag of dirt. He opened it and threw it all over the floor. The farmer's wife was very surprised. Before she could speak, Henry said,
Ma'am, if this machine doesn't pick up every last piece of dirt, I will eat all of it.
The farmer's wife looked at Henry and said,
Well, I will get you a spoon. We have no electricity.